Hey everyone, once again we are back with a hotel slash room review. Today's vlog is the West Street Hotel right at Bar Harbor, Maine in Acadia National Park. Check this out.
A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive.
This without a doubt is one of the nicest, if not the nicest hotel that Tina and I have ever stayed at. We were absolutely blown away with just everything that this room had to offer. But what's crazy is they gave us the suite, which had two identical rooms, which will show here. Just an amazing king-size bed. Unfortunately, when we arrived, it was about midnight, so we weren't able to see much outside. But as you see, you have a way to where you can walk out and you have your own private balcony. And with this suite, we actually had two side-by-side balconies. And you look to the right, you actually can see Bar Harbor, the water area, which was incredible. As we make our way back to the other side, you go through this little entranceway. You're going to enter into the second room, which is a full-size room, mirror of what we just came through. Team flips the light on here. You can see this amazing shower bathroom area with all the amenities that you would find in a very nice hotel. We were really surprised that we looked into the closet and they had robes for us, which they were absolutely amazing. West Street Bar Harbor Hotel is next level. You can see actually there's a bed, there's a king size with different types of pillows, then a little kind of living space, which will pull out bed, and then also a little section where it has a table. But again, we're going back out to our second balcony, which was insane. Every floor on this hotel had this little bar area for coffee, complimentary, which was absolutely amazing. We made use of that. Hey, now we're going to take you up to the pool area, which was incredible. On the 5th floor, well, I'll just let the view speak for itself.
Rooftop pool. And nobody's up here. Oh my word.
'Cause I find my way.
This is gorgeous.
'Cause I find my way, my way, my way, find my way, my way. 'Cause I find my way, my way, my way, find my way, my way. I find my way, I find my way.
Once again, not only was this an amazing hotel, but the pool area was incredible, and we had it all to ourselves. And those views were some of the best views we've ever seen. Hey, real quick, this is what it looked like at night. Amazing. Unbelievable. We are right in the heart of Acadia National Park and Bar Harbor, where there's restaurants, bars, all kind of entertainment. This is a great home base for if you're doing hiking or doing things out on the water. If you've enjoyed this quick hotel room vlog, hit that like, subscribe button. I'll put some other to the left and right of here right now with other things that we've done. Remember that we love all things travel. Until next time, see you later.